guys are on Costa Mesa R&D. Today we have a little Datsun 240 block, and the mounting bolts have stripped out, and so we've got to do a repair on that. We're going to show you how that's done. First thing we're going to have to do is drill this out. Be nice if we had a bigger drill. And the phone didn't ring. Alright, now that we've solved the problems of the world, we're going to blow this out with air. Alright, the next thing we'll need to do is cut a little recess in there for the bushing, so that it'll sit flush with the deck. And once again, we'll pull the tips out. I'm going to take our special tap and our bushing. I'll put just a little bit of oil on the tap. Once you go all the way down with the tap, it'll break out the bottom, and it actually pushes the bottom out so that you have a nice solid insert. Anyway, that's how it's done. If you have questions about strip threads, Datsun blocks, engine machining, give me a call here at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.